my channel V3 Tech Minds. Before going to the video, I would please request everyone to subscribe the channel and please share the video to your friends also. So in the previous video, we saw the installation of Eclipse. So the main purpose for installing Eclipse Enterprise version was to develop web applications which will work dynamically. So today we are going to download which is more important than that, that is the server. So the main thing whichever has to be downloaded to develop a web application is the server. So what is server? So basically we cannot run any of the web application dynamically without the server. So if the server is not there, we cannot connect it with the front end as well as the database. So the main thing whichever is required to connect the middleware with the front end or middleware with the database is the server. So basically there must be two servers for any web application, that is the front end which is been connected to the middleware is the middleware server, and the middleware which is been connected with the database is the backend server. So there must be two servers which is required. But today we are going to download only one server which will do both the works, that is the middleware server and the backend server, that is database server, will be combined together and made it as one thing, that is the Apache Tomcat server. So that we're gonna download today. So we'll see step-by-step process of it, and we'll see how to set it up in the Eclipse Enterprise version also. So let's go into the video. So the first thing what you have to do is go to Google Chrome and search for Tomcat download. So in that, Apache Tomcat will be shown. Please click on that, and in that, in the left side there are download versions. Go for Tomcat 9, which is very stable for almost all versions. Next, go to archives file folder. In that, select the version v9.0.76, which is very stable for all the types of Eclipse or versions whichever is there. Once you click on that, this page will be redirected. Select the second one from that is bin, and the list will be shown like this, from which select the last third one, that is 9.0.76.zip file. So this zip file will be downloaded. It may take a few seconds. It's just 11.7 MB. So once the download is done, you need to extract it because it is a zip file. Extract it in whichever folder you want. I am extracting it in the same download itself. So after extracting it, do one thing, we'll cut it, and then we will create a new folder somewhere, naming it as softwares, because it will be easier to check whenever you want it. So name it as softwares and paste it inside this softwares folder. So once this is done, all you have to do is now you have to set up it in the Eclipse. So now go to Eclipse and open it. Once it is open, so in the top right side you will find a search bar. Click on that search bar and search for servers. So once you click the server, you have to click on the link. Once you click, a list will be shown. Select Apache from that. In Apache we have downloaded Tomcat version 9 server. So then search for that version 9.0 server, select that and click on next. Once you click on next, so here it will show you for two options. One is to browse and download and install also. So there are two ways to install this Tomcat server. That is, one way is what I have shown you. The second way is you can directly install it here itself, that is download and install whichever version you want. But the thing is, when you have to download and install it here itself automatically, so it will give you some version, that is Apache Tomcat 9.0.100. This is what it has been downloading, some random version it will download. But I have chosen 9.0.76, which is very stable for all the versions and it will support for all the things. So I recommend you to follow all these steps to download the Tomcat server, not directly downloading this, because it will just randomly download any one of the server. It will not be the same for everyone, that's why. So now you can browse it. From browsing, wherever you have created it software, yeah, here it is. So we can click on the Apache Tomcat 9.0.76. We can select the folder and then just finish it off. So once it is done, so the server is added here. So here it is stopped. So we can start it manually. So if you right click on that, a start button will be shown. So once if you start that, the server will be started. So this is all about Tomcat server installation. So in further videos, we'll see for more related videos for this, and we'll develop few projects also regarding this. So thank you for watching the video. Please do like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.